Hello, Assalamu alaikum. It's me, Israqa. Today it is my first lecture. In today's lecture, we will learn about many topics. The first one is alphabet or letter. Second one is vowel. Third one is semivowel. And the fourth one is consonants. First, we will learn about what is alphabet or letter. The basic tools of English language are called alphabet or letter. There are 26 alphabets or letters in English language, which starts from A and into Z. And there are two ways to write the alphabets or letter. First one is capital letters, second one is small letters. The capital letters are written with black marker and the small letters are written with blue marker. And the second topic is vowel. There are 5 vowels in English language. First one is A, second one is E, third one is I, fourth one is O, and the last fifth vowel is U. A, E, I, O, and U. And the second topic is semivowels. There are 2 semivowels in English language. The first one is W and the second one is Y. W and Y. And the remaining these all are consonants B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, X, Z. These all are called consonants.